Hi again. In this video I'm going to present you the settings tab and let you know everything you need to know about these settings and everything that is related to the settings. So you have the trainings category here. You have the training modules here, the entire section, and training statuses and systems year range. What each one is doing. You can split all your trainings in more categories, so you have the option to record up to 12 categories with a category name, with abbreviation, and here it is an automatic calculator telling you how many modules have you recorded for every main training category. So in our case this is all dummy data, and you can delete everything by simply selecting the training names and abbreviation and record a new ones. So for example, for the training categories I have the abbreviation CT here. For leadership and management training you have LMT, and so on. You can use few of them, or you can use all of them. They are just to know that you have the option to use maximum 12 main categories when you organize your trainings. So for example, for the compliance training I have here recorded 10 training modules. I have workplace safety, I have anti-harassment, data privacy, diversity, cybersecurity, and so on, up to anti-money laundry, and so on. How do you connect the modules, training modules? From here you record here with the training category. It is very simple. You have to select here from this drop down list the main training category for this training module. So in this example I have compliance training related to the workplace safety, compliance training related to anti-harassment, to data privacy, and so on. So each time you record a training module you have to associate it with a main training category. This drop down list is connected to your main training categories. So each time when you update a training category name here, the drop down list will also be updated. For each training category it is a color associated for the entire tracker. So compliance trainings is having this red color. When you select a category for any module in here, like here instead of leadership and management training, if I'm changing it to compliance training, this will be changed automatically to red, indicating you that this training module belongs to this compliance training. Okay, let's just switch it back now, and leadership and training module, this is going to yellow again because the color for this training category it is yellow. Here in the recording modules this is automating, and every time you record a module and associated it to a category, you'll see the system is telling you that now you have 11 modules recorded for the compliance training, and for the leadership and management training you have only 9 because we have 10 here and 9 here. Other thing you should know, it is that there is not mandatory to record I have a module here, another here, and the days has to be consecutive and all related to the same main category. If you want to change, add one here, and this is for compliance training, you are perfectly able to select compliance training. If another one here is for compliance training, you are perfectly able to select it for compliance training. So you have no restriction to respect some order and record these in the categories, main categories orders for the trainings, for the category trainings. Okay, so feel free to record it in any order you need. Here the training modules, maybe you do one this week for remote work, and the next week also you will do another one for the soft skills, and you will add here one by one at the end of the list. So each time when you create a new module for a new training module, you just have to select the main category for that training. Okay, because the system will know that once you will submit a training for this training module, he does need to know under what training category does that fall. Okay, further you have the option to set up your training statuses: scheduled, in progress, completed, or cancelled. You have all these, and you just use show on tracker or not. If you do not want to show in any reports in tracker this kind of statuses, just select here no, but I think all it should be by default yes, because you want to see everything in your statistics. And further, if you want to use this for 2025 and 2031, where this is used, it is used basically all over. When you have a year to select that is related, this range is related to the range year set up here. Okay, so if you want to use this for 2026, just use 2026, and it will follow along another 6 year, another 6 consecutive year. Okay, so if you want to change the year range, just change it here, and it will be updated all over in all reports and options. This is all for the settings tab. Next one will be related to the clients and employees. Thank you. See you in the next video.